Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. In this video, we'll show you how to transform your small powder room, half bath or tiny bathroom into an enjoyable and spacious space. Designing a functional and beautiful bathroom can be a challenge, but with the right choices, you can create an inviting environment. We will share tips like using bold wallpapers to create the illusion of space, incorporating clean lines and neutral colors for a modern minimalistic look, and utilizing innovative solutions like retractable shower panels. Plus, we will discuss the latest lighting technology for a relaxing ambience. Designing a beautiful and functional bathroom can be tricky with limited space, but don't worry, we've got you covered. We will share tips on using stunning wallpapers with bold prints to create the illusion of a large space. Additionally, we will explore clean lines, neutral colors, and minimalistic design for a modern look. Don't forget to optimize your space with innovative solutions like retractable shower panels, and of course, we will dive into the latest lighting technology to create a relaxing smart atmosphere. Alright, thank you for watching. For the latest in trending interior design, must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel. Thank you.